Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur face in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the CapCut. Click on that and you need to update your CapCut application. Once you done that, you simply need to click on open. So once you open CapCut, you simply need to click on new project and select video clip from your smartphone gallery. So here you can see that I added a clip where I want to blur the face. So then you simply need to click on to the effects. Here you need to click on video effects. From here you need to go on to the lens section and you need to find here blur option. Click on that, click on the tick mark, and if you want to adjust the blurriness of this blur, click on adjust and you can increase blurriness from here. Once you done that, you simply need to drag this to the end of the video like this. So here you can see that. After that you need to click on overlay, click on add overlay, and you need to select the same video, click on add. So once it is added, you simply need to make it to the same dimension like the previous one. So select that clip and you need to make that to the same as the previous video. So you need to drag that video. So let me drag that. So okay, this is perfect. So once you done that, after that you need to select that clip, scroll here, and you need to find the option of mask. So let me find, here it is, click on that, and if you want to mask face, you simply need to click on circle, and here is the option, and after that you need to click on invert it and click on the tick mark. So here you can see that, but here you can see that our object is moving. So we need to come to the start of the clip and here we need to click on mask, add keyframe. So select that clip, add keyframe and drag that. So here you can see that it is moving. So it is moving, so we are going to add the mask again. Move that, click on tick mark, select the mask, select this again and add mask again. So you need to repeat that process. Click on tick mark. So it is done. So let me show you the final result. So here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.